Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels in the Wanderlog application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person in the bed button at the bottom of the page. So first just select your destination and then just select the check-in and check-out dates, and then just set the number of rooms and adults or children traveling with you, and then just click on the search for bookings button. And for this specific parameters, there were no matches, so just try with maybe a different date, or try to search for somewhere else. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.